Hello?
Good morning, Zebulon. This is Jason Watson from Burr Oak Woods Nature Center calling. How are you today?
Well, I've been better.
Oh, I see. Well, how's the year 3009 shaping up so far?
Well, as I said, yeah, we're making it.
I've got a question for you.
Oh, go ahead.
I have a group of people here today that would like to know a little bit about what the future is like. Would you mind talking to them?
Oh, I'd love to. Hello, everybody! Hey, is that a bottle of purified water I see in the audience?
Yeah.
Ooh, what I wouldn't give for a nice bottle of purified water.
Are you telling us there's no bottled water in the future?
That's right, and there hasn't been since the year 2522. I've heard rumors that the very wealthy still may have access to a source, but I don't believe it.
Well, why is purified water so hard to find?
Oh, a lot has changed in the last 1,000 years. Mankind stopped caring about pollution and its impact on the environment. In the race to create buildings, cars, and highways, it's all just taken a toll on all of our luxuries, especially water. All water must pass through a 29-point safety inspection before drinking. To make matters even worse, there are only 20 freshwater drinking sources left in the world. And here in America, we have most of them.
So with so little availability to clean water, how do you find enough water for all of your daily needs, like brushing your teeth or taking a shower?
Well, we are kind of short on water. A new law states that all citizens shall receive approximately 2 cups of boiled water each day. That's a big improvement to last year when we were only getting 1 cup.
2 cups?
That's right.
You are kidding me.
I wish I were. And those 2 cups we're expected to wash our clothes, brush our teeth, bathe ourselves, and it's supposed to be our drinking water.
No way.
Way. So, how are conservation efforts doing in your time?
Pretty good, Zebulon. We're doing the best we can to educate the public on how important it is to conserve our natural resources.
Yeah, natural resources?
Yeah.
Oh, we studied that for a week in history class once when I was a kid, talking about what those natural resources were.
You mean there are no more natural resources?
Oh, no, the name was changed to natural luxury in the year 2510 when the availability of those luxuries disappeared. Something like, why call it a resource when it's not really a resource anymore? Well, so, what are resources called in your time?
Well, our wildlife is considered a natural resource.
Wildlife? My mom, she used to tell me I lived a wild life when I was in college.
No, Zebulon. Wildlife, like birds and insects. Are you telling me there is no wildlife in the future?
What is wildlife? I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, today there are many animals that live and share the earth with humans. Each one plays a major role in making sure the earth remains healthy. Wildlife need food, water, shelter, and enough space to survive.
No wonder there's no wildlife in 3009.
What about aquatic wildlife, Zebulon?
Oh, like, what are they called? Fish.
Exactly, like fish. Please tell me there are fish in the future.
Oh, yeah. Don't be silly. There's a museum in England that has a few still swimming around in something called an aquarium.
Do you mean an aquarium?
Yeah, that's right. The last known catfish died last week in an aquarium in San Diego. I guess this creature called zebra mussel or something like that, along with water pollution, it started killing the fish around, I'd say 2012?
2012? Are you serious? That's only a few years from now. By the way, it's called an aquarium, Zebulon.
I know, that's what I said, aquarium. Hey, let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
What was it like to watch a bird fly?
Oh, are you telling me that birds are extinct in your time?
Well, not quite. There are still a few bird species left in the world, but you have to travel to the San Diego Zoo to see them.
Zebulon, I just wish you knew the joy of seeing an indigo bunting in flight, or to hear a gobble made by a tom turkey. It's really something to see wildlife in our time progress from day to day with such beauty and simple order.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It really is, Zebulon.
Oh, now, what can you tell me about this squirrels?
Well, Zebulon, in our time, Many people see them as rats with long, bushy tails.
Yeah, we still have rats. They only serve them in expensive restaurants, though.
I see squirrels as one of the best role models a human being could ever have. Squirrels saving acorns in the autumn season remind me of the things that we as a human race should be doing every day.
What's that?
Conserving and developing a strategy so that future generations like your own do not have to go without the resources that we take so easily for granted here in our time.
You know, if I could travel back in time, I'd warn everybody to protect our natural luxuries.
It's called a natural resource, Zebulon.
Not anymore.
Zebulon, are you okay?
Yeah, why do you ask?
Well, what is the hose for?
Oh, this? Well, when the U.S. Forest Service shut down in the year 2634, we began losing all of our trees to disease and improper forestry practices. People just kept cutting down trees without planting new ones in their place. There's not enough trees left in the world to produce the oxygen we need, so everybody must carry an oxygen hose around them. You'd die without it.
Are you serious?
I have an idea.
What is it?
Why don't you take a few minutes or so to try to make a difference? Call me back here on the future phone when you're done, and I'll tell you if I notice any changes here in the future.
What should we do, Zebulon?
Just go out and find something to recycle. Look around for sources of water pollution. You guys are smart. Figure it out. We need all the help we can get here in the future.
What do you say we take a short break and look for anything that might help Zebulon out? Thank you.
Thank you.